Here comes our Jitney. We are going over to the Marina side to the Golden Nugget to watch the band Cat 5. Here we go. Hello.
Oh, I was looking very charming in your camera.
Oh, you were?
Watch out for that one.
We just got off the Jitney and we are over at the Golden Nugget. We are here to see the group Cat 5 right on the deck.
The Golden Nugget for the incredible hospitality. The team here has been great. From the restaurants to the weigh-in to the hotel. The remodeling on the inside there. The place is getting nicer and nicer every day. We love it here at the Golden Nugget and look forward to the rest of the week here with them.
This is the Marina side. Friday night we will be here watching Don't Call Me Francis. This boat's been here for a long time. Irish Goodbye. Glen is over there talking to the man about an electric bike. He's wanting to get one. Does anybody have an electric bike that you can tell him about, or do you like it? What brand should he get?
Música, música, ven a bailar conmigo. Música, música, sintiendo tu cuerpo. Música, música, yo no me voy de esta fiesta. Música, música, hasta que acabe la orquesta. Bailando estoy contigo, amor. Tus labios me devoran. Acaríciame, mi amor, hazme sudar todita, así, así, ay, amor.
I'm a fireball. See the song, I got a game. I see the chicken on fire, who knows that y'all spinning heat running the game. Now bad, but we get the kid and no looking in the mask, I see no shade. I guess you let a better run a booty when she turn around and say, walk this way. I was born. Mama said that everyone would know my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm running out, it's 'cause I am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. You don't get the girls loose. You don't make the war loose. You don't make the money move. But I do. You don't get the girls loose. You don't make the war loose. You don't make the money move. But I do. Y'all having a good time tonight? Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party. I like to see the best and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl walks in with the itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Better pull out the top, 'cause you notice that butt was stuffed. Deep in the jeans she's wearing, I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys try to warn me, but that's what you gotta make me so. Ooh, both smooth skin, I think I wanna get in my biz. Tryna use me. You think that 'cause I read your room free. I see you dancing, hell the romancing. I'm sweating, got me going like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazine, singing black butts all that thing. Taking that bridge man and asking what? You better pack much back. So, fellas, it's a girlfriend got the butt. Shake it, shake that heavy butt. We got that. Yeah. I said, Golden Nugget guys, our name is Cat 5. We have another set coming up. We're gonna take a short break. We'll be right back. Thank you.